Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, dictation how to gain muscles. To gain muscles, you need the right mix of training, food, and rest. Here's a simple, beginner-friendly guide. 1. Do strength training. Most important. Focus on weight training 4-6 days per week. Best muscle building exercises. Chest, push-ups, bench press back, pull-ups, row shoulders, shoulder press, lateral raises, arms, bicep curls, tricep dips legs, squats, lunges, deadlifts. Do 3-4 sets, 8-12 reps, each exercise. 2. Eat more protein. Muscle food. Muscles grow when you eat enough protein. High protein foods. Eggs, milk, curd chicken, fish paneer dal, chana, rajma peanut butter, soybeans. Aim for 1.6-2.2 grams protein per kg body weight daily. 3. Eat in a calorie surplus. You must eat more calories than you burn. Add rice, roti, oats, bananas, dates, nuts, and seeds. Healthy oils, olive, mustard. 4. Sleep and rest. Sleep 7-9 hours daily. Rest muscles at least 48 hours before training them again. 5. Stay consistent. Muscle gain takes weeks to months. Train regularly. Don't skip workouts. 6. Optional, not required. Whey protein, only if diet protein is low. Creatine, safe if used correctly. If you want, I can also give you a home workout plan, a gym workout split, a muscle gain diet plan, Indian or USA style. Subscribe my channel for more information video.